lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all the new Colourpop collab with Becky G palette. I'm going to show you all their lippies and the highlights, and I'm also going to be showing you a look that I created with this palette. This is a bomb palette. I absolutely love it. I love all the colors. They are so pigmented and beautiful. I love them. So I will go ahead and jump into the look, and then at the end of the video I will show you everything that I got in the collection. As always, I've already prepped and primed my eyelids and done my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just gonna go right into this look with you guys. Okay, what I first did was I picked up this shade Capacito, this brown shade. I took it on a Luxie, let's see, where's it at? Or no, I didn't, my bad. I took it on a Morphe Y18 brush. It's just a flat brush. It looks like this. And I picked that shade up, the Capacito, and I just worked it in my crease. I just kind of stamped it in there. And I did tape my eyes with just regular tape, just to kind of give me that cut look. So I just kind of taped them. And then I'm just going to go in with this shade Capacito and just stamp it in my crease. I'm going to go all the way from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner of my eye. Okay. Now that I've packed that on there, I'm going to take the Luxie 121 brush, just a small little shader brush, and I'm just going to buff this color out. I'm going to work it in back and forth motions and circular motions. Okay, now that I've worked that shade in, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetic brush. I don't know what number it is. It's just like a fluff brush, like a dense fluff brush. And I'm going to pick up Vibra. It's going to be this shade right here. I'm going to pack it on that brush, and I'm just going to pat it on the... I'm not going to go too far in my crease with it. I'm just going to pat it on the outside corner of my eye. And I am going to pat that. I'm going to get it pretty dark before I go in and blend it. I'm going to pat it on the outside, and I'm going to pat it on the inside corner of my eye as well. And I'm going to leave this, the middle part of my eyelid, I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to blend it too much in there because I'm going to go in with Corona and pat that on there. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with the Luxie 121 brush, and I'm just going to blend that shade out. I'm just going to take it not too high in my crease, just right there, just a little ways up, and then just blend it out. Okay, now that I have that shade worked in, I'm going to pick up Corona, and I'm going to take it on a, this is Limelight flat brush. It just looks like this. I'm going to pick that shade up, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of my eyelid. I'm just going to work it down first, and then I'm going to build that up so it can be pretty bright. Okay, now I'm going to pick up this shade, and I am going to, I'm just going to pick it up on the Luxie 121 brush, and I'm just going to pat it, or like circular motion, just very lightly where I place the Corona, just so it doesn't have such a harsh end. I'm doing it on both sides. Okay. Now I'm going to, I'm just going to clean off that Luxie 121 brush, and I'm going to go into this shade Serena, I believe. I'm just going to pick up very little of that shade, and I'm just going to blend it all in. Like, I'm just going to take it from the outer of that Capacito and just kind of work it all the way in. Okay. Now that I have that done, I'm not going to line my I'm not gonna do an eyeliner or anything. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply my falsies. Okay, now that I've applied my falsies, I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape off. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take my makeup wipe and just kind of clean up any of the fallout underneath my eye. Now that I've put my eyelashes on, I've taken the tape off, and I went ahead and moisturized my face. I'm gonna go in with my face primer. I'm gonna be taking the Cover FX Blurring Face Primer, and I'm just gonna prime my face. This video is kind of all over the place because I've been trying to use my Canon to film some of my looks, but I'm just not liking the way the videos, like the quality, I guess, is coming out on them. I need to get a new ring light, so I shot the first part of this video with my Canon, and then I had to come in and use my iPhone to finish it up. So I apologize for that, but okay. Now that I got my face primer all worked into my face, I'm going to be using, I actually ordered some e.l.f. products that I've been wanting to try out, so my foundation routine really hasn't changed. I'm just going to be using the Limelight foundation. I'm going to take it in with the Morphe G6 foundation brush. I'm just going to work that foundation all over my face. I like to go in first and just kind of pat it, and then I'll kind of go back and buff it out. I really do like this foundation. It is a medium to full. I mean, you could go in and just do like a light coat of it, I guess, on your face, but I like full coverage, so it is buildable. So I like to go in and build it up and get full coverage going on my face. But it's a very good concealer, foundation. It doesn't, I don't feel like it gets cakey on me at all. It has a very long wear with it. I can wear it pretty much, I would say about 12 hours before I start noticing I need to use some powder or something to touch up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish working this foundation into my face, and I'm gonna do my concealer and my contour off camera. Like I said, it's the same that I've been doing. I haven't gotten any new products, so I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've went ahead and applied my concealer and my contour, I went ahead and baked underneath my eyes using the Maybelline Stay Matte setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and go in and finish the lower part of my eye. Okay, I'm gonna take this Luxie flat brush. This is a Luxie 221 flat definer brush, and I think I'm gonna pick up the shade. I'm gonna go into Carmelo. It's like a lighter brown, and I'm just gonna first work that on the lash line. I'm gonna go up and pick some of this Serena shade, this teal looking shade, but I'm gonna take it on a different brush. I'm gonna just take it on this e.l.f. Flat brush. It's a little bit fluffier, and I'm just going to blend in that brown shade. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pick up this shade, and I'm gonna work that. I'm gonna start from the inner corner of my eye and then just work it back. I'm just gonna go like halfway with that shade. Okay, now that I have my under eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and take this BH Cosmetics #1 brush, and I'm going to dust away all that setting powder. Okay, and then I'm going to take this is the NYX eyeliner. It's in Tropical Green, and I'm going to line my waterline with it. I'm going to put on a few coats of mascara on my bottom lashes. Butter bronzer, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe. This is a Morphe M106 brush, and I'm just going to bronze my face a little bit. Okay, after I bronze my face, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contour stick. This is in the shade 806 Wears Walnut, and I'm just going to use this to contour my nose. I'm just going to take my Morphe M458 brush and work that in. Okay, after I do that, I'm going to take this e.l.f. Blush and Bronze palette, and I'm going to pick up this blush shade. It's just a real light pink. I'm just going to dust it on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, after I do that, I'm gonna take the highlight-Princesa from the Colourpop Becky G collab. It's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take it on my Lexi. This is a 522 tapered highlight brush. I'm gonna pick up a little bit, and I'm just gonna work it on the high points of my face. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Okay, now that I've put on my highlight, I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm gonna pick up Estrella. I'm just gonna pick it up on this this fluff brush, and I'm just going to apply that in the inside corner of my eyes. And I'm also gonna highlight my brow bone with it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in, I chose the lip color Mija, and I'm gonna go in with this is a LA Colors lip liner pencil. This is in Natural. I'm just gonna line my lips first with this, and then I'm gonna apply the lippy. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Mija. The finished look.
Solo solito en la habitación, busca que busca de mi calor. Wow. No, no. Quiere remedio pa' tu dolor. Nadie te lo hace mejor que yo. Wow. No, no.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed that tutorial. I highly recommend this palette. It is a beautiful palette. The colors are so pigmented, they go on smooth, they blend out great. I love all the lippies, the highlights are awesome. So I hope you guys look into that. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Alright guys, thanks for watching.